The clock always seems to speed up when a Bitcoin halving gets close. Traders rush in, headlines get louder, and every dip becomes a debate. But the smartest move is often made before the noise peaks. If you want a clear advantage, focus on one thing before the halving, positioning yourself in assets that benefit from the volatility and the expanding attention. Bitcoin halvings have a pattern. Supply gets squeezed. Demand rises. Markets heat up. Even if the path is choppy, momentum builds because the event is baked into the culture of crypto. People expect something to happen. That expectation alone can move markets. So the question is not whether Bitcoin itself will get attention. It will. The real strategy is looking just beyond the obvious. Start with infrastructure assets. These are the tools and platforms that keep the crypto ecosystem running. When interest in Bitcoin spikes, activity across the entire system grows. More trading means more fees. More on-chain movement means more network usage. Exchanges, Layer 2 networks, custody platforms, and mining service companies all see a boost. Investors often chase Bitcoin and only later realize the ecosystem around it was the more flexible play. Another prime area is quality altcoins with real utility. Not the hype tokens, but the projects with strong development, clear use cases, and steady community support. During a halving cycle, the spotlight widens. People who missed the early Bitcoin rally start searching for the next thing. Solid altcoins often benefit from that shift. If you choose carefully, you position yourself ahead of the second wave. Stablecoin yields can also be a smart parking spot before the halving. Volatility tends to rise as traders reposition. Platforms that offer reasonable yield on stablecoins let you stay liquid while still earning. When the right moment comes, you can move quickly. Liquidity is one of the most underrated advantages in a fast-moving cycle. Mining-related assets deserve attention too. The halving cuts block rewards, which puts pressure on miners. The weaker ones struggle, but the efficient ones gain market share. As the industry consolidates, the strongest mining firms often see improved margins when Bitcoin recovers. If you pick the right exposure, you benefit from the shift instead of fearing it. Finally, do not ignore education. It is not a traditional asset, but it might be the most valuable move. If you understand what you own and why, you avoid panic decisions. The halving brings emotion. Knowledge cuts through that. Whether it is learning how fees work, how wallets keep funds safe, or how to avoid scams, good information pays off. The Bitcoin halving creates a window of opportunity long before it arrives. You do not need to chase every candle or predict every dip. You only need to prepare. Look at infrastructure. Look at quality altcoins. Look at stablecoin, yield opportunities. Look at the strongest mining players. Build a plan before the crowd wakes up. When the halving hits, you will already be positioned for what comes next. Thanks for watching Rich Root Wealth. If you want to stay ahead of the trends, build smarter habits, and grow your money with confidence, make sure you subscribe. Your next move could be the one that changes everything, so stick with the channel that keeps you prepared. Hit the like button if today's video helped you. Drop a comment with your thoughts or questions. I read them and use them to shape future videos. Turn on notifications so you never miss the next step on your wealth journey. More guides, insights, and breakdowns are already on the way. Stay focused, stay curious, and keep building your route to wealth.